Today, Thor has brought 4 units out for our students to see, teaching them a little bit about production, about this huge piece of our community, and what a lot of their parents are involved with. So they're getting to see the units, experience what they are, and do some learning.
This is important to Keystone RV because we are a big part of the community and we want to connect with everybody here to let them know exactly what we do and how important they are to us. So we wanted to come out and educate them and show them, you know, when they get out of school, they can build them if they're in that type of thing, or they can sell them.
Are you taking notes?
Yeah. You have questions?
Yes. Oh my gosh,
You have
it has my
questions?
last name on it.
What do you have?
At Daily, we're so thankful for companies like Thor and others in the community that want to see kids from an early age have a vision for their future, to understand that graduation is important, that learning traits like responsibility and being on time are important. So this helps us reinforce the skills that will help them be successful in their careers some days. I know there's a need for engineering jobs and other things right here in our community. So if we can prepare the students and help them see that these opportunities are real, that they can make more money than their parents, have a successful career, and develop the community for their kids someday. It's all cyclical, and we're glad to have this opportunity.
It's amazing how few of these kids have actually seen an RV or been in an RV. They get excited and their reactions are just amazing. To see the smiles on their faces and to see how much fun they have with it is very cool.
With our kids, even though these units are built right here in the community, they have limited exposure to actually getting on them. We have some of their parents work there, and they know about these, they hear about them, but they don't get to see what they really are. So the kids were super excited to see what their parents are building or see what's driving down the street right past their houses. And impact-wise, our students, some of them get out and travel. Others, their whole lives are right here in Elkhart. And so the bigger the vision we can create for their lives, the more chance that they pursue graduation, college beyond, or engineering jobs. So this is part of our goal to help kids have a vision for their future.